Hello students, welcome to Vinay Ashliya class 9th maths videos topic quadrilateral from NCRT. So it is the proof though looks very big, but it is very simple proof. Just you will see how. You need to read once, twice. Just you first you need to concept ki kya what is given and what to prove. Naturally, it is given. It says that the question says that show that if the diagonals of quadrilateral are equal, it is given that diagonals are equal, right? And bisect each other. It is also given that they bisect each other at right angles. It is also given that bisect each other at right angles. Then we need to prove that it is a square. Means to prove that it is a square, we need to prove that all sides are equal, right? Also, we need to prove that all angles are 90 degree. So two things we need to prove, that all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree, to show that it is a square. So let us consider ABCD is quadrilateral in which equal diagonals AC and BD. So it is given that diagonals AC equals to BD, right? Diagonals are equal. Bisect each other means OA equals to OC, right? OA equals to, we say that OA equals to OC, OB equals to OD, right? These are equal. It is given because they bisect each other. Also, it is given that they bisect each other at 90 degree. Now we need to prove that ABCD is a square. Also, we need to prove that all the angles, means angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are 90 degree. Then only we can say that it is a square. So how we will work? How will logic will work? Let us see how we are going to move. So first, it is very simple. By we will take any two triangles and we will prove that all the four sides are equal, right? If all the four sides are equal and diagonal bisect each other, then we conclude that it is a parallelogram. That is the first logic, right? Then we need to prove that all the angles are 90 degree. Then we again see consecutive triangles लेंगे हम लोग दो triangles लेंगे. We will prove those triangles to be congruent, right? If the triangles are congruent, then we will prove so that the linear pairs, since the angles are equal, but they form a linear pair, and hence we say that they are 90 degree. In this way, we can prove that all the angles are 90. So let's move with our first step. So we will start our session, that is proof. So in quadrilateral ABCD, we know that OA equals to OC, right? So we are going to start with the concept OA plus OC. OA plus OC equals to what? Because two diagonals are equal, right? Equals to what? OB plus OD. OB plus OD. But OA equals to OC, so we may write in place of OA we can write OC, right? And in place of OD we can write OB, right? So we can say that twice OC equals to twice OB. So to get cancelled, so we get OC equals to OB, right? So from these equations, we can say that from these concepts already OC equals to OB. From 1, 2, 3 and 4 we can say that all the four sides are equal, that is OA. All the four sides means what? Means OA equals diagonals 4. All the four sides I am not saying, diagonals are OA equals to OB equals to OC equals to OD. Now we need to prove that the sides are, what we need to prove that? We need to prove that the sides are equal. We had proved that half of diagonals are equal, means both diagonals are equal, and since they bisect each other, also the lengths of each part is also equal. Now to prove that sides are equal, we will take a triangle AOB and COD. See the triangle AOB and COD, right? Opposite triangles AO, so that opposite sides are there, na? Opposite sides should come. We may take we may take also AOD and BOC, right? So we are taking the triangles AOB and COD. And we know that these angles are opposite. Already we had seen opposite angles are equal, and also OB equals to OC. We already proved OB equal to OC in previous, this we already proved, and OA equal to OD. Again we proved previous part OA equal to OD. So we say that the triangles are congruent, right? We can say that the triangles are congruent. Similarly, we can say that the remaining two triangles, means triangle BOC and triangles AOD, these two triangles BOC and A, these two triangles are also, these two triangles are congruent, these two triangles are also congruent, right? So by simplicity we can say that BC equals to AD. So from this we can say that, what we can say that it can be concluded ABCD is a parallelogram because opposite sides of quadrilateral are equal. अभी तक हमने ये प्रूव नहीं किया कि चारों साइड इक्वल है, अभी हमने ये प्रूव किया कि अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल. Since opposite sides are equal, opposite sides of quadrilateral equal, we can say that it is a parallelogram. Now we will move for 90 degree. It is very simple. Again, in triangle, अब 90 डिग्री के लिए हम बाजू बाजू के अपोजिट ट्रायंगल्स नहीं लेना है, बाजू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ट्रायंगल्स लेना है. Now in triangle ABC and BC, ABC ये वाला, I will change the color, ABC ये वाला ABC and triangle BAD and triangle this one. सेकेंड ट्रायंगल जो हम ले रहे हैं वो BAD, this one, right? So these two triangles we are taking. We will prove these two triangles are common. That is very easy. AB equal to BA, common side, right? Common side is there. Then BC equal to AD already proved. AC equal to BD given. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. And since the triangles are congruent, because what we are trying to prove that, angle A equals to angle B. So since the two triangles are congruent, the corresponding angles are also congruent because by simplicity, right? So therefore we can say that angle ABC equals to angle BAD by simplicity, right? But now it is very important. But angle ABC, concentrate on angle ABC because it is a parallelogram. Since it is a parallelogram, so angle ABC plus angle BAD equals to 180 degree. The adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. But these two angles are equal. We already seen in 8, right? So we can say that we can write in place of BAD, we can write angle ABC equals to 180 degree. Therefore, twice angle ABC equals to 180 degree. Therefore, angle ABC equals to 90 degree. This we had proved. And similarly, therefore BAD is also 90 degree. And we know that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So we say that all the angles are 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degree. So now it is very easy thing to say that this one. Okay. Now we take AOB and BOC. AOB and BOC. See the diagram, AOB and BOC with next second consecutive side, right? So we will see that, and we will from those two triangles we can say that angle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. Now since so many things we had proved, it is easy for us to show that the triangles are congruent. And from these, since AB equal to BC, we can say that all the four sides are equal, all the angles are 90 degree. Therefore, we say that ABCD is a square. It is recommended that write this proof once in your book without looking in any books. Just look at diagram and try to write the proof. Okay. So please take care, and bye everybody. Meet you in next video. Bye everyone.